right, happy Monday morning, the week of Thanksgiving. First thing I want to just mention right off the bat is Tradingview is having their annual sale. They will tack on the time to your remaining time. So I have like 286 days left. So I will add on another year's subscription, and their current special is up to 70% off on the premium, which is what I have. And they'll add an extra month. So they just tack it on to the end of your membership. So make sure if you're a TradingView member, you take advantage of that. Next thing is bulls are still winning, guys. Short is counter. Long is the proper play. And I do believe, though, we're in a place here, misspelled, but a violent move. Just like there's the risk of short covering as the market's going down, 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 our risk of a liquidation break is also increasing to where when it wants to move, it's going to be a violent move down. So before we talk about the key levels, let's talk about the news drivers this week. I posted them here. Monday, nothing. Great day not to trade. Tomorrow, we got some existing home sales in the morning and the minutes in the afternoon. That is not FOMC, that's just the minutes. Sometimes there's a little something in there that makes the market move. Most of the time, it's dead. Wednesday, unemployment and sentiment, and so all of that. Thursday, nothing. Friday, red folders. So we got some stuff this week, but the markets are closed Thursday and Friday, so that doesn't really matter there. So it's great. So make sure you take your time off the charts. There won't be any weekend homework. And speaking of weekend homework, if you'll post your daily chart in there, I'll give you my answer key to the levels that I thought were important, the daily levels below us. So go into the weekend homework channel and make sure you look at that. That's all I want to mention from here. So updated the indicator. Friday's low here is really going to be a key level. It's the last kind of untested level below us before, in my opinion, we have a really good move south. This is a well-tested level. All last week, this had first warning shot to bulls, and this one had the second warning shot to bulls. I believe this level has been tested, but it hasn't been touched. So will it have one more bounce in it? I don't know, before a big move. Since this is certainly well tested, if they want to take it down, it literally could rip through that level. I will be paying attention here, and we'll have a trade ready, hoping that it comes down to at least here, if not here. And if beyond that, I believe it's a big flush. So will it have the power to do that on a holiday week? Don't know. So I added one more level way up here. So that will be on your Strong's indicator when you load it up for the week. All right, guys, I'm so excited. I love Mondays. I'm just so excited to trade. Mondays usually aren't the absolute best days, so moderate your leverage. Realize holiday week, less volume. Things can get weirder. Be diligent, trade small, and small profits every day adds up. I'll see my traders on Zoom here soon.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.